Welcome back. I'm Dave Coleman. People often ask me if investments like fresh avionics, interior upgrades, or a fancy new paint job are worth it. Perhaps, but I've run across aircraft with hundreds and sometimes millions of dollars of upgrades that would still be considered in poor condition. Think of your aircraft like your home. There will always be upgrades you can make, but a little thought about how it will affect the resale value is necessary. Some will increase the value for sure, while others may only be valuable to you. The trick is to find the right balance. As an aircraft owner, here's a prioritized list of the investments I'd make. First on the list is proper storage, like a climate-controlled hangar. Seriously, you can throw all the money in the world in upgrades, but if you park your aircraft outside, your investment is in jeopardy. Aircraft outside are exposed to environmental contaminants like acid rain and smog, while the sun deteriorates plastics and rubberized compounds. Of course, humidity accelerates corrosion. Next up, fly the plane. Plan a trip anywhere, at least twice a month. Otherwise, systems and components will deteriorate due to lack of use, and the aircraft's reliability will suffer. If the engines aren't run regularly, maintenance programs can be invalidated, and in the worst case, the manufacturer could deem those engines unairworthy due to improper care. Preventive maintenance is next. If you read through Chapter 5 of your aircraft maintenance manual, you'll see the inspections recommended for airworthiness, but not necessarily for long-term preventative maintenance. The best preventative maintenance practices come from knowledgeable, independent technical specialists and from the manufacturer. These best practices include washing, polishing, and lubricating your aircraft, treating fuel tanks and water systems, and the application of various corrosion preventatives. Personally, I'm amazed at how few operators perform engine compressor rinses or performance recovery washes, both of which are vital to keeping the engines free of corrosion and maintaining peak performance. The next investment I recommend are engine programs. Because the overwhelming share of an aircraft's value is tied up in its engines, enrolling in an engine program is the single best investment an owner can make. However, as an aircraft ages, the value of the engine program can begin to exceed the value of the aircraft. That might make it tempting to terminate coverage. Never, I repeat, never terminate coverage without first consulting an engine technical specialist and a trusted transaction specialist. We can evaluate the status of the engines and provide you with both the financial and market impact of making this decision. Remember, this decision is irrevocable. Did you know that even cream puff aircraft with low-time engines might not make your aircraft attractive if they're not on an engine program? There's more advice to come in the next episode, so be sure and join our mailing list so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.